Morning Vikings, this is Miss Dodge with some information on how to register and get into the Trainer Student Store so that you can earn and spend all of those trainer bucks. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into Teams. This is Teams for you sixth graders. You're going to click on Trainer Vikings 2021-2022, which is this one right here with the Viking head. Yee. Then up here, you're going to find the tab that says Trainer Student Store. Click on it. The very first time you do this, which should be right now, hopefully you guys have your laptops by now and you're following along while I do this, you're going to hit the button that says Register Now. You're going to type in your student ID number, not the one I'm putting on the screen, your email address, which is your student ID number at washoeschools.org, your full first name, your full last name. If you have more than one last name, you do need to do them both. Then you are going to make a password, hopefully one that you will remember because it's yours. You're going to type it in twice, then hit this button that says Submit. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes, and hopefully your teachers will pause this video so I don't keep talking, to do that now. So you're clicking Register Now and filling in all of the boxes. Welcome back. Hopefully that was paused and I'm not just talking while you're still registering. If I'm talking and you're still registering, raise your hand so your advisory teacher pauses my video. So I have put my student ID in here. I have put the password that I literally just chose in here. I have clicked the button that says Remember Me so my computer doesn't forget who I am, because I will. And then I've clicked the button that says Log In. This is my welcome screen. It tells me how many points I can spend right now. So all those trainer bucks that I've earned, I'm gonna hit OK. Then I'm gonna go through and pick something that I want. I really want an Among Us sticker. I'm gonna click on it. Then over here, I'm gonna go to Complete Sale. That will sell me the Among Us sticker, and it is now mine. Now, in order to get my Among Us sticker, I have to go after school, not right now, not during a passing period, and not while Miss Dodge is teaching one of her classes, to E6 to pick up my Among Us sticker. When am I picking it up? Yes, after school. Thank you for those of you who actually responded to the video, even though I can't hear you. So, if you have any questions about how to get into the Trainer Store, now is a very good time to raise your hand and ask that teacher standing in the front of the classroom with you. If you have questions outside of advisory, come see me in E6. Get it? Got it? Good. Fantastic. Enjoy shopping this Trainer Student Store with all of your hard-earned trainer bucks, and I will see you guys around.